This is the most hot selling product of my website. These are basic bandanas, and today we are going to crochet these bandanas. I'm going to teach you how to make this bandana step by step, and then you will be able to crochet that. I'm going to make this video uh, beginner friendly, so even if you are a beginner, you will be able to understand the pattern and make this bandana. For this tutorial, I'm using this color and I'm using 4 mm crochet hook. This is 3 to 4 ply yarn, and we're gonna need a needle and we need scissors. So let's get started. So I'm starting with the chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now yarn over the crochet hook, insert the crochet hook in a first chain, pull the yarn. We have 3 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn from 2 loops and then pull the yarn from other 2 loops. And by doing these steps, we have just made a double crochet. Okay, 2 more double crochet in this chain. 1 and 2. Now chain 1, double crochets again in the same chain. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now chain 1 and double crochet in the same chain. Okay, that was the first step, or first row, or first round, whatever you want to call it. Now let's move toward round 2. Turn the work, chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, we have this space before these double crochets. Make a 3 double crochet in this space. 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 1 and we have this corner. Okay, in this corner we are going to make 3 double crochets, then chain 1 and then 3 double crochets again. 1, 2, 3 in 1 and again 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1 and we have this space, 3 double crochets in here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the same space. Okay, this is our work after round 2. For the round 3, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 3 double crochets in the first space. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next space. Now in the corner we are going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and 3 double crochets again. 1, 2, 3. So we have corner on corner. Chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next space. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 3 double crochets in the last space. 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and 1 double crochets to end this step. This is our work after step 3. Let's move towards step 4. Okay, what we have in this bandana, we have a starting point, then we have these spaces between 3 double crochets, then we have one corner in every step or every round, and then we have these spaces between 3 double crochets on the other side, and then we have ending point. We will always start with chain 4. Our starting point is always chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Now 3 double crochets in every space between 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And we are going to make chain 1 between every 3 double crochets. Chain 1 and now 3 double crochet in the next space. 1, 2, 3. Again chain 1, 1, 2, 3, chain 1. Now we have corner. In the corner we will make 3 double crochet, 1 chain and 3 double crochet in the same space. 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and 1, 2 and 3. Now we have these spaces on the other side. Chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next space. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, 3 double crochets again in the next step. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 again, 3 double crochet in the last space. 1, 2, 3. And we will always end our round at chain 1 and double crochet in the last space. This is our work after round 4, and that's how we will make all the steps or rounds to make our bandana. Standard size of my bandana ends at 12 steps. Okay, so I have 4 steps here already. I'm going to make 8 more. You can make as many steps as you want. It depends how long and big bandana you want. Okay, so I'll be back after 8 more rounds or 8 more steps to do the next. Okay, so this is our work after 12 steps or 12 rounds. Now moving further, we need to make these belts to tie the bandana, and we need to make this outline you can see. Okay, and I'm going to start from one point and we will finish to the other point, and there will be like I'm going to do it all in once. Now let me show you how I'm going to do it. Okay, this is one side of bandana, one belt. We are going to make one belt here and one at this point. Okay, so what we need to do, we will make chain 35, 34 and 35. Okay, now I'm going to make a single crochet in a second chain, insert the crochet hook in a second chain, pull the yarn. We have 2 loops on the hook, pull the yarn from 2 loops, and that's how we made a single crochet. Okay, we need to make single crochet in each chain till this point. Okay, we have made single crochet till the starting chain. Now I will continue making single crochets in these loops till this point. I'm making 2 single crochet in one loop and then 3 single crochet in the next one. Okay, so we have reached the other side of bandana. Now I'm going to make 35 chains here again. 33, 34, 35. Okay, so we have 35 chains here just like this. Now I'm going to make single crochet in the second chain and then single crochet. I'll keep making single crochets till this point. Okay, so this side belt is done. Now we have to make single crochet outline from this point to that point and that point to that point. Okay, what I'm going to do, crochet in this loop, and then we have these top of the stitches, single crochet in these ones and then we have this one space, one chain space, single crochet in the one chain space, and that's how we will continue making single crochets on the top and single crochet in this space, and we will continue making single crochet till this point. Okay, so we have reached this point. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert the crochet hook in this first chain, and I'm going to pull the yarn. Now we have two loops on the hook. I'm going to pull first loop from the second loop and I'm going to cut the yarn here. Okay, so our crochet basic bandana is completed. That was it. It is so easy to make, it's very quick to make, and it's very easy for beginners. And this one is hot selling crochet bandana of my business. So that's it. I have made some more colors and now I'm adding this color to the collection. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. If you like my tutorial and if you want to watch more crochet content, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, leave a comment what you want to see next on my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.